Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be drawing a sporty sketch of one of the great batsmen Virat Kohli. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. This tutorial is meant to develop your balance and proportion, study of human figure and anatomy. For today's artistry trivia, which IPL team has Virat Kohli played for since the inaugural season in 2008? If you know the answer, write it in the comments. If you don't know, stay till the end to know the answer. Before we start, let me trace an armature over a sketch to show you the importance of force and balance used while playing the sport, which will help us draw better. Let's start with drawing the torso of the player. His torso and pelvis are going in opposite directions, so draw accordingly. After that, draw the legs. The left leg is in the front while his right leg is behind to maintain balance of the pose. Use basic shape in the first stage so we can create a strong base and add details later. After that, draw the neck and the hands which are holding the bat and hitting a shot. Remember to keep the lines light so you can darken and add details later. Now slightly erase the image so that it is barely visible so that we can add details over it. Take your time while adding details as this will be our final drawing. Start with the details of the head. Then we will draw the details of the upper body like batting gloves and jersey. After that, we will draw the details of the lower body like batting pads and shoes and the napkin on tucked in the waistband. Let's use blue color for the jersey as is the color of the Indian jersey. Carefully color the sketch and make sure the strokes are in a single direction to make it look cohesive. While coloring or shading, always keep in mind the form of the subject and the light casting on it. This will help you in giving a better shading to the sketch. Blend the colors to make the sketch livelier. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match a sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing because practice makes perfect. Now in for the background, let us do a cohesive design of our flag which make the subject stand out more. Make sure to use creative approach like these for your own artwork to elevate focus on the subject as well as to make the sketch more impactful. And there we have it, the sketch of the greatest batsman of all time. Now coming back to the artistry trivia question. Virat Kohli has been playing for Royal Challengers Bangalore for 18 years since the beginning of IPL. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the advanced playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.